and Namaste. And we're finding out today, in nature with the Tao, that everything has a soul. And that's quite easy to imagine when we look at this magnificent tree from our little bench here as we're taking a nice little walk into nature. To go into nature, to go into the Tao, and see what that really means when we go take a walk in nature. And Namaste. So one of the ways we can start to truly understand nature and how we are the Tao and we are nature as well is to understand that when we go out into nature, what's happening is we are experiencing a soul reflection. In other words, why is it that nature just feels good to be in, to look at? Well, it's literally because we are also wonderful and beautiful to be in and look at and feel. And nature reminds us of this. Because as humans, dealing with the challenges of duality, we forget this sometimes. But that's okay. We're all here to remind each other. And that's what this quantum experience is about. So now again, as we go into a different kind of scene, if you will, see what is reflected in your soul. As we simply allow the Tao to be what it is somehow. We don't need to understand. In fact, trying to understand might even get in the way. So right now, let's just make a soul connection and see what this scene is telling us. What is it reflecting back to us? What is your soul telling you right now? And as we go through nature, we make a soulful connection, truly a soulful connection. And we understand what it means and how beautiful and wonderful it is to hug a tree. So hug this tree with me. Connect your soul and just see what this beautiful tree has to teach us. And it can be just that simple when you go out into nature. And it's amazing what happens when you just come and touch a tree. And that's what's so great about these quantum videos, and we'll be having them for every week, is that in today's kind of timing, it's not always so easy to get out into the forest. We have busy lives, still dealing with the pandemic, etc. But that's why my guides have guided me to work with these quantum videos to help folks to make that connection, to help them to open their feet chakras and send their soul down to the soul of Mother Earth and make that connection and grow your soul's love together. So once again, every time you see one of these footsteps touching the earth, these are your feet with concentric circles of love. It's almost like every footstep is like stepping on or walking on the water. And those concentric circles just ripple out, and you receive up from the bottoms of your feet all the way into your being the dear, dear love of Mother Earth. She is here to house and love and comfort us all. And so I highly recommend that if you can, get to your local beautiful nature spot, to take a seat, have a stop, and see what the soul of Mother Earth is saying to you. So sit here for a moment, quantumly. Project yourself right here. This beautiful little picnic table. Isn't that a wonderful, soulful seat? Picnic tables remind us of childhood and family and fun and vacation and relaxing in nature. So just sit here for a while and see what your soul has to say. So, namaste and thank you for joining me, for joining us here in the forest. And these are quantum videos, and our guides are with us for certain. And the Tao too, as we make these videos and help us all to connect more with nature. And I just received a message after filming our meditation exercises here in our Tao meditations. And here's the message. Light. Beautiful, beautiful light. We started this exercise in the rain, and it was dark and kind of foggy, and now look at this beautiful sky and all that wonderful spaciousness. So let's just kind of breathe all that in, this beautiful, wonderful spaciousness. Wow, wow, wow. And so this is our clearing. So let's just swaha and clear it all up into the sky. Let it all go. Everything and anything that needs to be released, we release. And namaste. And thank you for being with me and being with nature and being with yourself, really. And every week we'll find some way to make a real connection with nature using these beautiful quantum tools and with our own hearts. So I thank you for joining us. Namaste and blessings.